Hello, my friends and Land Surveyor family. Let's try something new. This is this new Land Surveyors United.com sound booth. What this is a place where we will have a question of the week. The question of the week will change every week. You can come in and got the instructions here. Got a question of the week playlist. What you're going to want to do is say, yes, I come from a family that is rooted in land surveying. My father sold surveying equipment. I myself was a land surveyor for 3 years and in Charleston, South Carolina, and come from a long line of surveyors. So stop. I can now download my file. Like so. Then I want to add a track. Question of the week. Done. Now we have a new file. When you have a chance, stop by the sound booth, record your answer, upload it into the question of the week, and let's see where everybody is coming from around the world. Have a nice week, Land Surveyors.